69% of Americans save less than 10% of their income for retirement emergencies or other financial goals. That's why they are in crippling debt and live paycheck to paycheck. Safeway provides you with a platform to track your spendings and be rewarded with strong coins for saving and investing your money and putting money forward for your future. Whenever we expend our money on frivolous things such as shopping or drinks, we get instant gratification, also known as a shopping high. So, why can't we get instant gratification when we save and invest our money? Safeway helps us do just that. So, this is our home page. So, once you click join us, you will be taken to a dashboard. So, on the dashboard, you can enter the amount that you spent on any other different things such as shopping, bills, foods, etc. So if I spent $120 on my bills today, I can add it, and as you can see, the bill section changed a little bit. It dynamically updates this graph as well as this location here, as you can see right here. So this is one of the features of the dashboard. So after investing or saving your money after a while, it will provide you with strong coins depending upon the amount of money you saved the last week. So if you save more money, you will get more strong coins which you can then redeem for crypto or cash. So what is strong coin? Strong coin is our in website currency which will provide you with ways to redeem it for cash or crypto. So we believe in giving back to our users. So the value of a strong coin isn't fixed. So it keeps on changing depending upon the number of income or the number of active users that are available, or the active users on the platform that make a particular transaction or save the amount of money. As you can see, this is the current value of one strong coin. If I go back to my dashboard and add $78 to grocery on this date, the value of the strong coin will change a little bit. As you can see, the value of strong coin keeps on changing depending upon the active users and the total revenue provided when the company starts making profit, which will provide liquidity for strong coin. So you can earn strong coin by saving more money, by interacting with the community in the learn section, or investing with our partners. So you can invest, we can create an partnership with an investment firm which can help us invest, or which can help the users invest their money. In the learn section, you will learn about different financial habits such as frugal living, etc. There can be sponsored or ad posts which can help us generate revenue. Then after reading about a particular thing, you can take a quiz which will then reward you with strong coins depending upon how you answered a question. So as you can see, I only answered one correct, so I got 0.25 strong coins, which can then be redeemed for PayPal gifts or bank deposit or crypto. But we recommend you to hold your strong coins. So this is our website which provides users a way to keep a track of their expenditure while gaining monetary value, as well as providing them different ways to learn about financial freedom and frugal living. So this is our website. Thank you.